cracking piece of new technology behind me here, brand new from Star GB. This is the SR38J sliding head lathe. You can see this at their open house on October the 2nd, 3rd and 4th. Now this machine is a perfect fit for engineers that want more bar capacity than 32mm, but they still only really want an entry-level machine, and that's exactly what the SR38J machine is. This is a guide bush, non-guide bush machine. You can go up to 42mm bar capacity in the non-guide bush mode. There's up to 29 tools on this machine, so if you're looking to machine slightly larger parts, there's no compromise on power. Compared to the other SR38 machines, you've got equal power when it comes to the spindle. Everything's similar with the programming as well, and the machine comes equipped with high pressure coolant and HFT ready. So really, this is a machine that will certainly be attractive to a lot of engineers, and you should come and see it at the open house in Derby on October the 2nd, 3rd and 4th. This is a brand new machine, the latest launch. This is the SR38J sliding head lathe from Star GB.